Hey traders, I just wanted to shoot this quick video to show you what kind of results I'm getting um, from the True Trader strategy. Now, True Trader has a scanner, and I'm sure you've seen their webinar, and that's why you're looking at this video. You're kind of doing your research for whether you want to get True Trader or not, a subscription. So I signed up for a year subscription in April as a beginning trader with a very small account. And you know, they have a scanner which works amazingly well, but you have to type in the symbol, and that pops up in the scanner. And sometimes it's a little bit premature in that it gives you an alert before it gets to the certain area where you need to buy, according to their or short, according to their strategy. So I wanted to, and so, rarely has a scanner been down. I'd say it's about 95%, 99% of the time it's up. But I wanted to try code. I'm learning coding as well. And for TradingView, they have really easy to learn coding language. And so what I did is I coded the logic that's used in the True Trader method as alerts that come through, and I activate them around 6:30, on Pacific time. So that's during market open. And I just want to show you the results from today because they were amazing. It's 6 for 6 as far as winning trades. So for SOHU, SOHU, it alerted me 1 minute after the open, which you could see is on this candlestick. And this green area is basically where you could buy. These are some certain levels that you get in as well. And for a $20 stock, this was pretty great. I mean, this is VWAP, the orange line, and then this is the 20 SMA on a 1 minute chart. And those are kind of my targets. So, 74 cents, dollar, if you would have held close to $2. So that was an awesome trade. And then you got SGMS. So this one, again, was a little bit thin on volume, so I might not have taken this trade, but it still, would have worked out, where this green area is kind of where you want to buy in this case. The red area would be a shorting opportunity. So let's look at WB. And this is all during the open. You can see you'd be done probably with 3 or 4 successful trades within 5 minutes. This one, again, might have been hard to catch because of the low volume. It's just about 10,000 traded around that time, so that's not bad. And again, so that this one would have got in for about 50 cents and a $34 stock. It's pretty good. ARCT, this one I might not have taken because it's pretty spready and it gapped around a lot, really low volume. So this one, did work out, but and if it did, it could have been a good, 1.5 gain possibly. Then we got big. This one was a quick one, so it washed out to this level here. And then my target would have been about 85 cents, 75 cents, something like that. So it would have been an amazing trade as well. And then it even works for shorting stocks. So this one kind of, at this point, was later in the day at the 47 minute. And you could see at this red level, you'd buy around there. And it kind of held for a while, but you could see it comes back down to VWAP, or the moving average, which would have been a nice dollar short. So I just want to review that. Of course, their alert system gave even more tickers. The limitation of this is that you have to set alerts for tickers in TradingView with their Pro plan. Allows you up to 400 available. So I can't scan the whole market, but I use the tickers that they suggest in their morning report, and I load those in. And over time, you just build up these symbols. And I got about 258 set for short and long. So I give this to you for free if you sign up with True Trader, which you might already be doing anyway. It's no cost to you to sign up through my link that I'll put in the description of this video. So when you do that, you help out this channel, you help me out in developing this program, which you get for life, this alert system. And I'll continuously be upgrading and improving it. So I layer this alert system on top of the True Trader alert system, and it just helps me add conviction. If their alerts come up and my alerts come up, then it helps me decide whether I want to get in or not. And also sometimes I know when it alerts here, it's closer to something I need to buy because it's already met the level. It's really a lot closer to the levels that I want to buy at. So yeah, that's all I wanted to do is review that, review my alert system. And then I also have a full review of TrueTrader Method that I'll pop up at the end of this video. You can watch that. It's a short video. But again, I started in April with a very small account, brand new to trading. I was just in quarantine and wanted to learn a new skill. So I picked up trading, and now I'm picking up some coding skills. So that's it. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.